Can't fuck around. Why we start?
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold, and Alkaline has dropped a new track called Key. Yo, Alkaline did not come here to play. Let's listen. Wow, man, say he's up off of the weave. Yo, Alkaline is not playing, ready to tackle the whole army from any crew, which he's already proved that he did with the 6. Remember them? Oh, yo, Alkaline wiped them out entirely. Yo, Alkaline is here for the war and them not back out. Who's gonna step to the plate? Who's my name? Forget the viral, it kinda canny. Come round for the right love, me know a partner. Me that's what me ask if she give a brother. Alkaline is showing you that he's not afraid to use that word again because it means excitement. Like, hello? Anyhow, I think this particular line goes for Born to Killer. That's my opinion. There's a lot of people who use Alkaline's name to go viral, which is corny. And, you know, there could be several artists. But I think this particular line is for Bunty. So, yo, Bunty, where there? You got answer back? Him use the word again. Where you say?
Do what me I do. No take killing. Thousand gal in a rotation. As a gelding. One shot in a interest.
Oh my God. That is so creative. Alkaline is using the word that you think hurts him, gelding, against y'all. Yo, as a gelding, he gets the most girls in rotation. And that is a fact. Almost 80% of Alkaline's fan base are women. Yo, they ain't no gallis to Alkaline. Them are no gallis to me. Get it, Bunty? Your favorite song you love sing?
Some Alkaline when me like. Them man and the gallis see me. Them man and the gallis see me.
Walk the walk, talk the talk, don't signs up, dark with dark.
Yeah, so Alkaline walks the walk, talk the talk. You know, he saw Bunty in Trinidad. Him not do nothing. I mean, and either way, I would have taken the other threat. Anyhow, big up Alkaline. The song is badly. Alkaline's ready for the war. Who's gonna step up to the plate? Yo, make sure you guys stream this on YouTube, and it'll be available on all platforms as well. And bye. Bless up. Make sure you subscribe.
KEYMAN, go for the lead, yo.